Hi, everyone. Good to see you again. Welcome to EDU 358 or EDUC 5358 for our postgraduate students. I'll talk a little bit about that here in a minute. I do want to begin by saying welcome to Class 2. I'm beginning this as Class 2. It just is easier to work the online format. We'll put Class 1 as the welcome, and if you look here, you can see on Moodle, I put the welcome up a few days ago, which shows our syllabus, the welcome, a video lecture for me. It's just a few minutes saying hi, and I wanted the practice discussion. If you are seeing this for the first time, I would like you just to at least, you don't have to look at my video. Yeah, look at my video welcome. It's just a few minutes, and then just at least do the practice discussion. It talks a little bit about yourself. And I think 3 of you, yes, Lauren, Cameron, and Hannah, thanks so much. You did it. I did reply to you all, so thanks. Everyone else, if you just take a minute and just talk a little bit about yourself so we can begin to get to know each other, I'd appreciate that. So, a little bit here about the course. This course is an undergrad and a postgraduate class. It's for 2 types of students. Our undergrads looking for the New York State ESOL certification. New York State needs to be changing that soon, which they will be. And then our postgrads are teachers already out in the field who have a master's, have certification, but they're coming back to get certification in ESOL. And Jennifer, hi, you're a postgrad. So Jennifer, your syllabus is a little bit different. Everyone else right now, undergrad syllabus, yours is there. So we will take a minute to look at those too. But what I want to show you is for Moodle. So this is all the welcome. Our first class begins here, and it'll be by the week. January 14th to the 20th is the posting. Activities for this week. Class 2 are going to be due next Monday, January 21st by 11 p.m. So like I said before, I'll post lessons on Tuesdays, and then everything's due the following Monday. So you'll have 6 days to get your stuff done. So how this works is the agenda for today's class is you'll watch the video lecture. That's what you're watching right now. I haven't posted it. This is confusing because I'm recording it right now. By the time you're watching it, it'll be there. Right now it's not. But it will be video lecture class 2 will be there once I'm done with this. Then you're going to watch your video lesson. You're going to complete the discussion board on the video lesson. You're going to read chapter 1 in Freeman and Freeman, this book. Let's see, Freeman and Freeman. And then you will answer the questions, chapter questions on page 40 in Freeman and Freeman, and upload an electronic copy. When you upload an electronic copy, just make sure that it's, if you're not using a PC, that you save it as a PDF so I can look at it, because I'll print it and it's an online class. I was going to put it in my outbox. I have to figure out how I'm going to do it. I guess I can return it electronically. I'll think about that. I'll think about how I'll do that. Anyway, so this is it. So for this week, you have until Monday to get it done. You will watch this video lecture. You will watch the video lesson. And I'm going to pull this up, the video lesson. When you click it, goes to this video lesson, and you'll see the timer right now says 3 minutes and 9 seconds. You only have to watch to 4 minutes 45 seconds. It's not going to take a long time. I want you to watch the video. So here. Okay, so you're going to watch this video lecture. Watch the teacher, watch the students, ESL, elementary, you can see. And after you finish watching it, you're going to go back here to your, oops, sorry. Nope. Rats, don't panic. Back here to Moodle. So that was the video lesson. You only had to watch to, don't want to the counter to 4.45. So you're watching 2 minutes. You're going to respond to the discussion board. This is the discussion board. So click this open. I don't have to read this to you, but basically it says, what are your thoughts about the lesson? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? What you'll do is you'll respond here, and I'd like you to respond thoughtfully, and I put about 300 words, which is nothing. You can write that in your sleep. But please really respond. What do you really think she's doing well, if anything? And what do you think she's doing not so great, if anything? Right now, there's really not a right or wrong answer. Actually, there is, but it's a first class, so I just want to get your thoughts on what you like and what you don't like and anything else you may have noticed. You may certainly feel free to go over 300 words. I'm not sure if the discussion board has a limit. We'll find out. But I want at least 300 words. Once you've posted, then read other people's responses and respond to other people. I would like those responses to at least be 100 words so they're thoughtful. If you're one of the first few students posting, I'm sorry, you're going to have to wait till more students read posts so you have something to respond to. Okay, so let's go back. So here we are. So the agenda for class 1, you're going to watch this lecture. You're going to watch the video lesson down here. You're going to complete the discussion board for the video lesson. This is the discussion board. I don't have it. Responses to video lesson. Okay, it's close enough. Then you're going to read chapter 1, Freeman and Freeman, and then you're going to answer questions. And here, if you go right here to page, let's see, 40, right there. It says applications, questions. It's 1 through 6. You only have to do 1 through 4. Those of you who've had me for class, you know I can't stand giving students busy work, I mean. So I really am going to pick questions that I feel are applicable, that are meaningful. So it's questions 1 through 4. The only one that's a little quirky is question 4 that says choose one method we described in this chapter to research more fully. Prepare a report to share with your classmates. For that question 4, just answer that one more thoughtfully. Of the methods talked in here, which speaks to you, which do you really like? All of you have been in OPEs. Some of you have been teaching, some of you have been subbing, some of you are full-time. So you pretty much have opinions on these methods as you read them. So really just pick one. You don't have to write a report, but I would like a thoughtful response and, hey, you know, why do you like this? Why do you think it's effective? What do you know about it? All right, I have no page length. I think you all know what a good answer entails. Let's see, and I do have my timer because my recording, this video only lets me record up to 15 minutes, so let me just check my timer. I don't even know where it went. Okay, great. I only have 4 minutes left. Okay, so, great. I think this will be it. So this week I don't have a lecture because you haven't read the text. So this week is kind of an easy week for you. Next week what I'll do is in my video lecture I'll talk about chapter 1. I'll talk about the important points, what I feel you really should know, points that'll come up on the New York State content test area, points that you will really see in the classroom in your OPEs and your student teaching. But because you haven't read anything yet, there's really nothing to talk about. So you're off the hook. So this week's easy. So follow your agenda. Watch this lecture, watch the video lesson, complete the discussion board in the video lesson, read chapter 1, answer the questions. Hopefully you don't have any questions. If you have questions, please email. When you email in the subject line, put down the name of the class, EDU 358 5358. Oh, one other thing. Let me just pull up the 2 syllabi. I think I have them open. So the undergrad syllabi 358. Let's see if I have that open. 3, do I have that open? Here it is. 358. They're almost the same, but you'll see when you open it, it's just the requirements are a little bit different. You have to read all that, all the standards, everything. Let's just face it. We want to get down. So you're going to, here's the books, a discussion board, lesson plans. Everyone will do OPE reflections, text response, tests, final projects. Here in the undergrad, you only have to do 2 lesson plans and the grades are the same, but it tells you a little bit about each of the assignments that we have to do. This is our course outline, but it is tentative. I will probably be changing things. It's the first time we've had this class online, so I'm just going to say right now, I reserve the right to switch this around. I'll never move assignments closer, but I may push them back a little bit to give us more time. So for my post-grad student, let's see, Jennifer, this is yours. I'm sorry you have a little bit more because you're a graduate student, so you will have 3 lesson plans and you get to do a unit plan. I know you're really excited. We'll talk more about that when the time comes. You'll see it, same thing. And yours course outline's almost identical because it's the same class for both my undergrad and grads. It's just that grads, you have more work to do. But again, let's keep flexible with our due dates and how we've scheduled it. Oh no, recording, did it stop? Oh, no, great. Hopefully, so I can close this, we'll go back to Moodle. Okay, hopefully that's it. I'm really looking forward to our semester. If you have any questions, like I said, please feel free to email me. I do have office hours. What's today? Tuesday. I'm here on Tuesdays. And I'm here on Wednesdays, and I'm here on Thursdays. So if you need to see me, those are good times. I do have a Tuesday night class, so for those that evenings are better, then Tuesdays are a good night to catch me. All right, I guess that's it. So good luck with everyone. I'm going to go ahead and post this, and I think we're good for the semester, I was going to say the semester, the week, and I'll see you all next Tuesday. Thanks.